Hi, welcome to my channel. In this video, we are going to see the assistant professor vacancies from the different state government colleges, and it is a recruitment notification came from University and Higher Education Board. So here the total huge vacancies are there. That means 145 assistant professor vacancies are there from the 21 departments. So before going into the main content of this video, here one announcement is that the candidates who are preparing for the UGC December 2020 cycle exam. So from April 7th onwards, the revision through the previous year questions for the paper 1 as well as the electronic science. Okay, so utilize this opportunity guys, and the details regarding this one I kept at the end of this video, and the links I kept in the description box of this video. Coming to the present content of the video, so it is recruitment University and Higher Education Government of Manipur. So from this Higher Education Board, we got the vacancies notification. So let us see clearly here what are the departments and how many vacant seats as per the caste category, and what are the eligibility conditions, and what is the age limitations. Okay, all these things we will see very clearly in this video step by step. So first of all, here click on this notifications, then you will be directed to this PDF guys. Okay, the Government of Manipur, Directorate of University and Higher Education. So notification from Imphal, this notification released on 26 March 2021. So in pursuance of the Department of Higher and Technical Education, the Government of Manipur released the applications for suitable candidates to 145 assistant professor posts on contract basis for a term of 1 year or 1 academic session for the government colleges of Manipur. Okay, and here you may check down the different subjects are there, and as per the caste category the number of vacancies are divided here, and the subjects are anthropology, botany, chemistry, economics, education, English, geography, geology, Hindi and Hindi from HTTC, history, Manipuri, mathematics, Mizo, Nepali, philosophy, physical education, physics, political science, statistics and zoology. So the total 145 vacant seats are there. So it is a wonderful opportunity guys. So the candidates who are eligible and interested, so please try to apply to this one. And here the candidates who belongs to other than HTTC, the qualifications here are master's degree with 55% in the concerned discipline from any Indian university or else from the accredited foreign university. Apart that one, the candidate must have the UGC or CSIR NET qualification must be there, or else a SLET or SET qualification must be there. Okay, so these are the qualification required for except HTTC. Okay, and here while coming to the HTTC, it is the candidates who belongs to who are trying to apply for the Hindi teachers training college. Those candidates must have the below mentioned qualifications: master's degree in Hindi from recognized institute with minimum of 55% of marks, MEd or Hindi Hindi Shikshan Nishant after BT or B.Ed or Hindi Shikshan Parangat from a recognized university or institute with a minimum of 55% of marks. So NET, SLET or SET or PhD awarded in accordance with the UGC regulations 2009. And apart from that one, the candidate who belongs to these categories, okay, which are mentioned here, the 5% relaxation will be allowed in the marks at the bachelor's as well as the master's level. And while coming to the age limit and other eligibility conditions, so here the age limit is mentioned minimum 18 and maximum is 38 years. The relaxation of 3 years is permissible to the OBC candidates and 5 years in the case of SC/ST candidates. And the candidates must be permanent resident of the Manipur. So it is the main point here guys. So if you are the permanent resident of the Manipur or else your ancestors are the permanent resident of the Manipur, then only you can apply, and you have to show the proper documentary proof also for that one. And coming to the scheme of examination, the candidates will be shortlisted as per the criteria mentioned here. So graduation, post graduation, MPhil, PhD, NET with JRF. Okay, and only NET 8 marks, SLET or SET 5 marks. Okay, so for the publications and teaching experience, for these things also, the marks are allotted here. So you may check down guys. And the SLET or SET score shall be valid for appointment in respect to state universities or colleges or institutions only. That means if you clear the SLET or SET exam of this state, then only it is valid. Otherwise it is, other states SLET or SET qualification is not valid here. And coming to the conduct of interview and selection of candidates, Here the selected candidates will be directly called for the interview. There is no written test and all. So for each and every post, 5 candidates will be called for the interview, and then they will shortlist, guys. So the interested candidates may apply online at www.highereducationmanipur.gov.in or else career.online UHE, that is this one. Okay, so here apply now is there, or else here the apply now is there. So if you click on this one, then you will be directed to this column, guys. So here name, mobile number and email ID. So you just type this one and click on the send OTP. Then you will get one OTP. Based upon that one, you can start filling up the online application form, guys. So the interested and eligible candidates may apply from 27th March to 12th April 2021. So 12th April is the last date for the online application of this one. And the candidates who applied online, they have to take the printout and submit it along the self-attested copies of educational certificates, mark sheets, documents in hard copy to the Office of the Director, University and Higher Education, Government of Manipur. And the application fee is 1000 rupees for the general candidates and 800 rupees for the OBC candidates and 500 rupees for the SC, ST and PWD candidates. Okay, so the fee may also be transferred electronically to the following bank. That means you can do the NEFT also. The bank details are also given here. And if you are facing some technical problems, then you may contact this mail ID. So total, these are the detailed notification regarding the assistant professor vacancies recruitment from the different government colleges of Manipur, and this notification released by the Directorate of University and Higher Education, Government of Manipur. Okay guys, so for more notifications, please subscribe the channel and then tap the bell icon. And the candidates who are preparing for the UGC NET exam, here one announcement follows, so listen guys. Hi friends, my name is Ashwini Kumar, Unacademy educator. So all of you know that Unacademy is India's largest learning platform, and it is providing the very good content to the learners who are preparing for the competitive examinations. And from this video, I want to bring you one notice that I'm going to start the 2 new courses for the UGC NET candidates who are preparing for the UGC NET exam in 2021. So the course number 1 is complete course for the NTA UGC NET paper 1, that is teaching and research aptitude. So that it is going to start from November 9th onwards. And coming to the paper 2 is the electronic science. So the complete course for the electronic science is going to start from November 10th onwards. So the interested candidates may take the subscription plan of the Unacademy, that I will show you the different types of subscription plans. But before going to those subscription plans for the paper 1 and as well as to the paper 2, one thing that I want to share you is that if you want to check how the lectures will be, and why, because each and everybody is having some dilemma that before taking the subscription plans, that whatever the content I am going to teach you, so how the content I'm going to give you, so whether you can able to understand or not. So for that purpose, I will provide my Unacademy profile link in the description box of this video guys. So if you click on that one, then you will be directed to this web page. So here if you scroll down, you can check the special classes. So special classes means these are the completely free classes. So every month I'm going to take the free classes to the candidates. So if you click on this see all, then all my special classes that you can check down here, right? So if you click on these classes, then whatever the video classes I took at that date and time, so those videos will play. So with the help of these videos, you can decide that how I am going to deliver the content of the concepts and each and everything. So based upon that one, you may take the subscription plans guys. Okay. And if you want to check that how I am going to teach the UGC NET paper 1, that is teaching and research aptitude, so it is my official YouTube channel link for the paper 1 that you can check down. I will provide this link also in the description box of this video. So here I did the complete unit 1, that is the teaching aptitude here by taking the total 6 parts. So it will be acts like the reference to you that how I am going to teach you, whether you can able to understand or not. So by looking all this content, that means the electronic science from the Unacademy app and from the YouTube channel, you can guess that how I am going to teach the paper 1. So by looking all these things, you can decide